Welcome back everyone. Today's special is pumpkin beans curry with broccoli side dish. So let's make pumpkin beans curry first. For that I used half cup beans, dried red churi. Soak the beans for about an hour and cook that beans using pressure cooker or Instapot. Now we are going to cook the pumpkin. I cut the pumpkin into big cubes and cook that with very little water in a pot with half teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric, half tablespoon salt, and 1 or 2 green chilies. Do not overcook the pumpkin. I think the pumpkin is almost ready. And we cook the pumpkin with all the spices and salt. You can reduce the spice level if you want because this curry is in the high spice level because I added all the 3 different chilies: red pepper, black pepper and green chilies. Add the cooked beans to the cooked pumpkin and mix well and let it boil for about 1 minute or so. Now let's make seasoning. Heat about 1 tablespoon coconut oil. Add mustard seeds, let it splutter. Then add red chilies, add grated coconut, add few curry leaves. Let the grated coconut turn brown, light brown, then you can turn off the heat and add the seasoning to the pumpkin beans curry and mix well. This curry is very easy to make and it is very healthy. You can use this as a soup and it goes with everything, all the meals. You can use this as a side dish or you can use that with steamed rice, roti, idli, dosa or with anything. I like to eat this as such, like a soup. Serve hot and it has all the spice levels. So if you add a little bit of brown sugar, the taste will balance. I added a little bit of jaggery or brown sugar to it. Enjoy. Please try the recipe. Like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching. Now let's make the broccoli fry. For that, I heated about 1.5 tablespoon olive oil. Added mustard seeds. Let it splutter. Then I added chili flakes and chopped onion. I used shallots. Add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder and half teaspoon salt. And mix well. Add the broccoli. I split the broccoli flowers into half. Used about 2 to 3 cups of broccoli. Mix well. Do not add any water. Just cover it to steam the broccoli for about a minute. Open the lid and stir it well and let the water content dry out. This side dish is like very tasty, and you can use this as a snack or side dish to your steamed rice or any meal. It's very healthy and easy to make. Please try the recipe. Thank you for watching. Please like and comment. Thank you.